feka krabia na watramodin bebre ya nya watrasa wo pa wo betumi aka no modern but wo de we mum de dukrani watramodin ampa watramodin pa zaba wo de ya ahwe o so wutum say watramodin law house ya eno no baba ye Ministry of Justice asoya ehwe abanlo ya panine asoya ehwe atentene so wo mu new offices so na ho ne se wa we nya tramodin
oh ayo tramodin
ai
na dan na gina wiem sa na
ai Ghana ha ya atu asodu
o Ghana ha
bursa atu asodu
boy
yes boy
the law house
I tell you come papa
na when yami anyu adom na se edu ko gina soro ho na ese mradu a obeda sia ba bedroom from center
Sunday 10 troubles one God
hey God no cry one ha unya oh
afa pa de busu na etwaguo no ana esiye pa
esikwa ho so na ni etwa ho hia oh nice
that esisa esika fa why nkwancha de efe edisika na eto so we dey see what are esika mpedede la zona na mpapalo bru na zawa what are hu sa no omusha say 2001 so that's rabbit
and that's 2001 crowd dey say nche you say na say mfie be mi ensani
2001 man ka 2021 yo
what for me if say
2001
2000 na me refi 19 say me 21 I'm 21
President ko form ni e muta
na say oh na say 13 years atwam
13 years 31 years we must na asasa se wa
20 what's it 20 say
2001 2011 that's say 23 years no eboa
23 years
that wa ka 23
I'm
first o ka 13 wa ka ni kra
any o ka me ke bia mamu
enti se wa abosan no to asodu a je chance ano President Kofo na start
20
enti na je say law house yi and ya fe 2001 fie aduonu miensanie
President Kofo tribunal
na President Kofo ya say obesi sa law house no wo ye ne say enu 2004 ni wawie ana fofia antokofo we dey fofia to atawo fofia antokofo efie gwotwe Kofo antimi anwie atamesa beto aso eno so fofia anto ata ana wo man san nwie ana John Dramani Mahama baye fofia san anto Dramani ana very lucky ana fofia beto ado ana omo de senti ada ba kunu so sa no fie duoru mi ensani afa na ya bubu no toto sam ana fa ni ya wie enti na sa na ti enti ase no efe ase no eye basement mienu ana ebesan wosoro ni edu na eye abanlo ya pani ene Ministry of Justice ho nyina ene ebe house wo mo na de etie nie conference rooms ewom offices nkoa 130 office spaces parking lots ebe fa car wa haduonu 120 cars enye ayi ayi nkitinkiti bio we car se pa ena afi wo ma san wo baby to canteen kama pa enu achi anso hwada wo mo esan wo baby facilities bebre na Nana Addo in fact okuta paso wo twa homemo no na utim se wo twa homem pa.
Indeed, the contract for the construction was awarded to Messrs. Energo Project Ghana Limited in 2021, 23 years ago. But due to various challenges, including delays and the need for fresh procurement approvals, the project faced several hurdles. Godfrey Dami navigated these issues by obtaining the relevant approvals and re-engaging contractors, leading to a renewed effort to complete the project. He has done a yeoman's job. And I say a hearty ayiko to him. After all, not to be overlooked, he's one of the many worthy products of Messieurs Akufo-Addo, Prempeh, and Co. Ladies and gentlemen, the importance of this building goes beyond its physical structure. It symbolizes our strong dedication to upholding the tenets of the rule of law, which is the bedrock of any thriving democracy. The rule of law ensures that no one is above the law. That is, the concept of equality before the law is respected. That justice is administered fairly and impartially, and that the rights and freedoms of every citizen are protected. It is the foundation upon which we build an equitable, free, and just society.
President Nana Addo and an Yajasano. Watch us who two chair at the ma a barrier penny Godfrey Dame. Na a dancer and dear come was me a banner corner best what are now why Sano Yatrim sa President Ahura Besneco, Banura Besneco. Na Godfrey Dame, I'm no nano. I drew what was so quite biaso. Was someone about to say about Bessie. Na Momayentie Attorney General Ura Godfrey. Yabua Damia, or my penitence, or two chai, at the man who said they were not so. What kind of source?
With great joy in my heart, I welcome you to this event. Knowing the special place the Law House occupies in the hearts of state attorneys around the country, it's an honor to be the Attorney General who has driven this project to completion. And it's a day the Lord has made, and we rejoice in it. When I was appointed the Attorney General in 2021, I requested the relevant heads of agencies under the ministry and all regional heads of the various, for a presentation of what I termed urgent and most pressing needs, so as to obtain a primary and comprehensive insight into the matters of utmost concern to the Office of Attorney General and Ministry of Justice, its regional offices, and various agencies under the ministry. Top on the list of the presentation made by the various of departments and regional offices was the debilitating office accommodation challenge. The dreadful infrastructural and logistical hardships facing the ministry were legendary, as even at the head office, some of the lawyers were operating from what is described in Ghanaian parlance as containers, a situation I consider very deplorable. I deemed it unacceptable for attorneys who assist important institutions of state navigate the myriad of legal challenges they are confronted with, and some of whom are actually Ivy League scholars, to be using containers at their offices. Other problems principally related to grossly insufficient budget for the operations of the ministry, lack of vehicles to facilitate the duties of state attorneys in justice delivery, and severe technological challenges. Working visits by me to the office of various
lawyer for Kukudam. Na yenya danya wombeye mo adwumanti na containers na ebititi mu de omdare office ye enunti na akwakoye ni gisem adamu omose omonya danfefe ya burusa ya etuasudu ya mo eba bekumu afe enipa wono so no office ho eni ho no mu bie eye atemwafo panipa Chief Justice Mame Gertrude Tokonu wono so ni ajipa.
Today indeed brings a proud moment to the entire legal community. The launch of the iconic Law House, standing proudly next to the largest court complex in the country, is an occasion that we all are extremely excited about. The legal community is claiming its place in iconic destinations in the country, adding value beyond the work of justice delivery we do to presenting locations that have touristic value and other value to the country. Let me congratulate the Honorable Attorney General for stewarding this project that has been all of 24 years in the dreaming and in the building. Your Excellency, distinguished persons present, access to justice goes beyond providing courts. But I can assure Mr. Ajololo that I'm not going to take this opportunity to take the shine off the Attorney General by talking about leading justice.
Atemuafo Penny Chief Justice Mame Gertrude Tokunu onso ni adepa wo kanfo aban no mampani ene omunyaso obaye dwuma no na ahye omu nyina enkrante ne gisem na seba Facebook fo nso obuo ni woka ka 30 woka ka 2021 no na ka 23 years na mo we no mas ohyehyɛ no
na me ka 23 ama 23 on
sa mampani kwa se 2021
bo
and bye what mampani 2021 ono akasa kura akọ isika miase e the Facebook of what say wakoto ubuo ni o
Ai because 2021 they say new 23
ai enti ai adina kasa say mass ni bebre Chief Justice kura wati wan so 24 years ni
ade no wo fe be fie ni so acha
dodo ade ba ko
Ghana nankasa no yamanyo sem na ye wo ha no die ade no wo ho na aban foforo ba e wo se ye to aso amemo ye nto aso enti we ba na we ya to ba ya ma politics na didi emu
adahwa
ade na wo no ba ye wo ye no e ye ba ko die na abia wu asu no de tuma foforo afira no be hwe na concept di bia ye no
se na last na me kire mu no eno no me be twa wo de so me nya bi ni
ugwa ho obi kura be kasa onyo na aisha ase gya awasem
da no kura ka nyo mo ya se why wo de wo sie no ade no $50 million
what you aka to
and now done no 200 wo see 200 and wa nwie na member to aso enti me so be ba no betwam me so me kwhye me de ase me de no na me so me de $300 million me nya 70 bi de ya da ka de achadi na me member to aso me so me da je bia hyase akoye bia di enti kro no sa
ti amanyo sam ne de nyamie ne nukure ne ebia ne se ye buka ya yehu afia ya
o ma kronfo dodo o ma kronfo dodo
politics e na Ghana ne de erade hu ye moboda
ya me
ye nto aso ne yankoye ne mabusuafo na ye da so awo ne ye law house a ye bia no ye mampani His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ekoko bia no ye hwa ne ye da so a ejina na papa ye fa branya ho we pan no sanse wasin sembi wo hono mai kwaso o mai Ghana mu no onya apa eti sei so tre by why sei enti wanya di obefa so no waka bebe amampani na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne yesina na mo anu nkwai wase hwe sembi wo hono mai nipa bi katitrew National Democratic Congress NDC amanyeko no emma binom ne mpanimfo bi a ewa amanyeko ne mu bi ka adigu memeso anokura bi anim nene megina ha ya na masamiti wase na nsei achempo Debia NDC amanyeko na chitafo so de a wo so a clearing agent na so afo ne mpanimfo bi no mu bu oman no bebre kata sehye proya kankan ado wo mo se no komoa afa ye che wo mo ano aya ne hotakra wo jema kwhye kire wose ane mfa ne nyese obehu wose ame ama set committee ya ye hwehwe mu awie ya se ne hu so wo mfa ne hu kodi na nipa kro no da so ate akonwa so wose NDC fo na ekasa asemo yi o wose o mampani dada wo no atu franka edema NDC amanyoko na afia bato mu kura kabida so ye clearing agent wose won kan ye kura waka kosi ye mame Cecilia Dapa ni sika bum ye ba ye se esini fie ne mpase ema wo mu kokọ yi ema ejina so kura no yi empanifo bi ba mu ye hwehwemu ama yi papa ya your friends yeah investigations
domelevo nas
enya nas abai ni pay ad ni ba na say ya say omra meye omesi matinya midu anan
special prosecutor
MSK yesa ko
akom
MS akosi se bi
that was what I kwanu mo de obeye do bet
owu anu okun Saba pay asem na make was one kasa kura ginam. I be so person investigating near dear federal baby sisi da so na mo ye nim baby asem na kosie. Was in sinko bebre. O man pani na na donk kufu ado aye wo mo saa. Eti ono die wo hu ni so a clearing agent wo clear nkrofo na keta hye ne prayer kan do wo mo no. Na no na law house na o man pani na na donk kufu ado wo bia no no. E na wo kire ma kire se nya no kreda. Wasi ade na evidence eno ne agro no etutu ko bo bi ko adu akeke wa no fafa no abo ne ko adu no ono wagina so ne ache no ne awie nkonsa ne ade ko da bi wonya sa etu ka so obi a ebone sika bi afa na seketa hye pro ye ne kankan bo ne ho a na wo de ne sa wo si an wa ye bone da bi wose on de ohwem eti na oti committee di si ho no mo no wose sa nkrofo no obi ama di fie si wo ba be bi sebisa ne nsem da wote committee ni na ye nsebisa wo mu wi a na afedie wo mu no wo mu sanity a wo ma sign ne ho nso koka dwam a na ne aka enti enya ade a wo betumi aka asem tra evidence nim enti on de onye clearing agent bia yentie na nai.
The use of technology has been pivotal in our efforts to combat corruption. We have introduced digital platforms for public procurement processes, reducing human intervention and minimizing the opportunities for corrupt practices. These platforms have increased transparency, efficiency, and competitiveness in public procurement, ensuring that public resources are judicially used for the benefit of all Ghanaians. Before I conclude, Madam Chief Justice, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure we are all aware of the statement by the former president and perennial NDC presidential candidate, John Dramani Mahama, stigmatizing me as the clearing agent, because for him, mere allegation without more is enough to merit condemnation of an accused public official, especially one of my administration. For my part, and let me state it again for the record, I will not set aside due process and the rules of natural justice on the against corruption, no matter how much opprobrium this position incurs for me.
Mampani da Mahama dear was so cansem. No bobby could run and one say Nipan would do for dear. One of dear onion is sada, and she say your hobby so. No dear Juma say Nipano, Nitiko shem, na a cafenoa, any a cafeno. So when Yanity Dima, no one said him to Sash, any dear one you tunchene. Say no money clearing agents and a dear with him, na or the Marano, a Juma.